Cool. Seems the stream is even up and running. Good. And yeah, even chat is working. Amazing. Cool stuff. Okay, let me hide unnecessary things. Oh, actually probably it's more interesting to see code instead of looking on me. Good evening, yeah. Flutter never dies, indeed. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, Mehdi. Hello. Hey, guys. Oh, I actually can... Yeah, I can do like that. Control though. Hello. Good evening. We have mixed Twitch and YouTube chat on screen, so that's what's going on now. And I just had a little bit alone time and really programmed something as well, not only kind of stream it, so I will be able to ship something as well today. How you already updated? Updated to what? Updated to what? Okay, so this is the test app that I am working on and building. It's kind of slowish. Swift Assist. Yes, I am on Mac, whatever is current version. Probably not the latest. General software update. Oh, I'm on macOS 15.1. So no, I didn't update. Maybe I will do that tonight. Yeah, didn't update. Yeah, I'm curious to see Swift Assist as well. That will be kind of interesting to try to update before stream, but I didn't. Hey Tommy, hello. Just some AI, exactly, yeah. Exactly. So... yeah, it is a little bit flutter up. I agree. It's a mess currently. It's a mess. Apple said will launch AI before the end of the year. Yeah, then maybe that is basically last minute, you know, to do that. For reference, that's lemonade. Kvass. Aka bread lemonade. Just in case someone will say that it is 18 plus something stream, because alcohol, it's not alcohol. Hello, Lutero. Heavy insults. Yeah. Yeah, that's lemonade. That's indeed, that's lemonade. That's kvass. There is no alcohol inside. Even it looks very much like... See? Which is your favorite monitor? Probably my current one. I have Apple Studio Display. I don't have that angle for camera to show it, but I'm using Apple Studio Display. I really like it. It's good. Okay, so it looks ugly, but it is update for those who really using the beta version. Let's try to upload it actually to App Store. Let me get App Store up and running. I'm having another lemonade. No, when you are kind of talking about that lemonade, I'm thinking that probably that was a mistake that I bought a kvass instead of beer. But whatever. It's something like middle of the week, right? Probably it will be wise to do not do that. Okay, here we are. Okay, you can share screen again. So the app currently is already in the test flight. We will just upload new build and then I will add few more features or few more bugs. We'll see how night will go. My lemonade's name is similar to yours. Kvass and yeah, I don't... Quack? Okay. I didn't hear about that quack. Google it. Okay. Quack. Quacking? Some... Bostel's Brewery. Is it Belgian beer or some Slovak? Looks like Belgian. Yeah, Belgian. Yeah, should be good. Hey folks, with hello. Belgian beer, yeah. Right, guys. Hello. How I'm doing? I'm doing great, thank you. Kvass basically is something like low alcoholic beverage. Oh, interesting. Northwestern Europe basically something close to beer, but not a beer. You know, it's not, but there is no alcohol inside. Okay, there are two small kind of... I can't read it. Hey Paul, hello. Oh, I'm doing great, thank you. Let me move to chat to the main screen. I will break a little bit this widget probably, but I would like to have it somewhere here on the main screen to be able to kind of properly read it, to have it bigger, and we will need to fix it here. Give me a sec. I will break it and I will fix it quickly, and it will look a little bit less blurry, a little bit better readable. It will be better for everyone, I promise you. Okay. Oh, Pauls, you're crazy. Man, you're crazy. 33 months. Jesus, almost 3 years. Thank you for sub. You're crazy, man. Thank you. Appreciate your support. Okay. Hey, Axel. And yeah, I'm good. Thank you, Paul. What you're thinking about working on apps in niches where competing apps have more than 5k MRR? That's good niche, right? Because there is money. Mac Mini, cool. Congrats, that's a great machine. Children had dark beer, but was okay for children. About one. Yeah, it's light beer, it's fine for children and old women. Yeah, you're real OG, yeah. Do I like kvass? Yeah, yes, kind of. If it is like or not like question, then yes, but it's not that I kind of, I don't know, drinking it daily or somehow often. I'm buying MacBook M4 MacBook Pro in January. Yeah, I still didn't order upgrade. It kind of works, you know, so I'm not sure if I need it. Hello. File transfer. Yeah, this app sounds kind of very specific file transfer application. It's something for geeks. I would look in Reddit, Reddit, subreddits, and so on. Social networks where geeks hang out. I will do stuff like that. M4 Mac Mini is, yeah, it is still, yeah. Oh, Tox, you don't know me good enough. I do not learn anything just for learning, and I even avoid learning if I need that for some kind of work. If I can somehow get around with tools that I already know. 2 times in a row. Yeah, we had actually in the app developers community, we had inside streams that's happening every week, and YouTube and Twitch streams are not so often, sorry. If that sounds how old are you? That question always, that depends. Is it respectful or disrespectful from context? If you're just asking my age, I'm 49. I'm not young by any kind of retro style. That's just my style. Yeah, it works great. Yeah, still works great. Exactly, Tommy. It's the same thing. I also kind of almost bought it, but I don't know. It kind of works, and so. Not, yeah, as Paul said, not kinda, it just works and works good, so I don't know, I didn't buy it. I don't know how those tax returns kind of works, but basically, yeah, I can just buy it, and if you buy computers, phones, then you do not need to even pay added tax, so you just buy it without tax. Basically you're cutting 21% from price, and that's it. I mean, maybe you were motivated to make an indie web app. Why? So if I will see business case and I will see that I need web app for that, then I will learn web. But to learn web development just in case and hope that I will find business idea for that is kind of wrong way of thinking. Hey, what are you going to do? I'm uploading new build for testers. I just did, and that's not about Quaz, that's about this application, test flight. I'm still processing. Now tax returns give you cash. That's from employer. Oh, crazy. Overpaid 10k in taxes. Yeah. I don't think I overpaid something, but very, very little. Nothing crazy. Yeah. I was kind of I was waiting for M4. Then I saw that, okay, M4 Pro is crazy powerful. Basically, that's enough for most of us. And then I was looking in tests. Basically, if you would like to get kind of the most powerful machines, then you need to buy that M4 Max, which is whatever, 40 or whatever, basically most expensive one. That's kind of pricey. Probably I don't need it. Then seems that I can get away with M4 Pro. But then if I'm buying it, currently there is this anti-reflective kind of coating, so I would like to have that as well. But to have that, I have special order. So at the end of the day, I basically ordered nothing. Do you think iPhone should have a feature like Samsung DeX? I have no idea what you're talking about. Where do I live? I'm living in Latvia. Tommy, you're still on Intel. Crazy man. Crazy man. Yeah, most likely Foxbit is right. There is very little chance that I will buy it. Almost none. So I was pushing hard my freelancing project for release, and I really struggled with power of my current machine, and I felt that could be good to get upgrade, but of course I will not upgrade in last weeks before release because I have to do a lot of work and I'm not kind of switching machines in that period. So I pushed it, and currently workload is kind of relatively chill, and my current Macs really do not struggle anymore. So I'm patient with my computers. With Intel computer, you have to be really patient, yeah. Why are you making this up? If there already a ton of competition, I will outcompete them. I can get you 70% discount. You work at Apple in Latvia? That could be great. 5 years in. Oh, you're crazy. If you are still on Intel, of course that depends on projects. But for most of us, it's Intel is kind of too slow. And yeah, Veto, DM me. I will be happy to be friends with you. Samsung DeX is like you connect monitor, iPhone to monitor, phone to monitor, and that becomes a computer. Okay, yeah, I got that. I don't know who is really using that. So you can connect iPad and use it, with monitor if iPad is on M chip. And I don't know how many users are really using that, because for computer, basically, there is no good reason for me to connect iPhone to the monitor. To do what? Browsing internet? I don't really need that. But for when I want to do kind of proper video editing or programming, yeah, then I would like to have external screens, and then I'm using Mac and phone will not help. Really, I do not care about that feature. Will we have it eventually? I hope so. That could be cool if that is our only computer, but probably those will be glasses or what else not, So I think that's not really needed feature. My work laptop is not Intel, it's M3. Okay. Yeah, then that's fine. If you have something slow, deadly slow for personal use, that's fine. Cutting out from Angular and React, I'm migrating to Blazor web framework still use. Okay. I didn't understand half of that. Sorry, mate. I'm simple mobile app developer. Oh, those who are retiring Intel today, guys, how did you survive it? You're crazy. Yeah. Foxbit using Arch. This should be pinned comment, actually. Hello. And the webcam mix plays. Okay, I will check, yeah, thank you. Yeah, I think as well, yeah, that's basically if you are not buying as a company. Yeah, thanks, yeah. Gento, Linux, yeah, let's go. Have you ever read the Atomic Habits? Yes. Not all of the book, most of it. I read another one about habits that was released before Atomic Habits, something like. And Atomic Habits kind of repeats it a little bit. Oh, that's a good book. Not bad. That's the most popular book about habits, right? Okay, so not fit testers. What did we change it? Let me check quickly. So many habits that you procrastinate on them. Okay. Tiny Habits by PhD. There was something else, yeah. Habit. Maybe I market that book in Goodreads. Probably I'm not logged in anyways in my account. Of course I don't know it. How I logged it? Sign in? Maybe Google. Let's try. Okay, of course. Book. There was something like a circle in it, book about habits, and it was interesting because there was this one, The Power of Habit. That was a good one. Yeah, The Power of Habit. This was an interesting one, how companies using habits to get us into the using products. Very interesting. Yeah, The Power of Habit. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this one. That's a good book. Atomic Habits, that's a little bit different, but that's more like applicable book to everyone who wants to develop new habits. All of them are good books. Okay, what did I add today? Okay, I need to skip this song. That's emergency. Sorry guys, this song is horrible. Where is my next song button? Okay, here it is. Better. Much better. Spending too much money, I have to sleep on couch. Okay. Yeah, exactly. That's kind of a good way of kind of... Yeah, the song is exactly like... So, I fixed calendar, I fixed widget, what else I added? Calendar days fixed. Okay, let's add those. Let's say notifications and calendar days are fixed, something like that. Can I just copy it before it is gone? Maybe approve it, ready for testing, perfect. Okay, that is released. So the next thing, where is my simulator? Okay, here it is. So that's how app currently looks like. You're right guys, it looks like almost like, I don't know, React Native application. This one, do not care about, that is only in debug mode, you will not see that in production version. And basically app is simple like that, you're just marking habits, whatever. And yeah, it's kind of boring, nothing interesting. It's Flutter app, exactly. Actually, I feel the same. I'm kind of surprised that I didn't buy it. And I change phone every year as well, and currently I'm on iPhone 15 still. I just skip it. iPhone 16 doesn't make sense to buy. I don't know. I'm getting old or something. I don't really kind of want to buy new stuff, because you know, then I will need to again migrate everything on that new machine. That's a hassle, you know. Still an iPhone 12. Oh my gosh. iPhone 14 Pro. I would say those designs are kind of similar. iPhone 14, I liked iPhone 15 design. Yeah, iPhone 14 was a little bit rounder corners probably, yeah. I upgrade wife every year. This year my wife also skipped upgrade. I could kind of get iPhone 16, but basically nothing is changed. That's just this kind of photo kind of capture button, and that's boring stuff. Yeah, so I could get. We'll see. I was kind of betting a little bit that maybe my daughter's phone will survive for one more year, and then basically she's getting then one of the old phones next year, and my wife probably getting upgrade. iPhone 14 was sharper bezel. Okay, yeah. I was thinking that iPhone 15 was that as well, but yeah, maybe I do not remember correctly. Didn't understand why Apple left Intel. Oh, interesting, yeah. But that was day and night. If you buy what you don't need, you will sell what you need. Yes, and it kind of helps a little bit, you know, when I kind of was thinking, okay, I could get that new iPhone, and that is not question, do I need it or not? But when you think how much time you spend working to make that money, then you understand, okay, probably I'm not ready to kind of give away so much time for a phone that I don't really need. Yeah, if that is kind of just machine for, I don't know, YouTube, then Intel's still doing fine if it is next to the power plug. Okay, next thing I have, so in the application we have, what do we have? We have lists of the habits, but this is more like kind of habit editing list. You can add kind of a new habit or edit existing habits. This is glitch. This is bug. Actually, first time when I click it, it should show selected habit, but it was showing empty habit, whatever. Basically, you can add new habit, but this is more like list, right? It's kind of, you can't really do anything here. Then we have this calendar view, which is, I like it because I can see that, for example, I was consistent in content making, for example, in December. That is actually true. I'm not lying here. Not just checkmarking my checkmarks, but it's not very handy to open kind of calendar to do that. So therefore I will need one more kind of screen, like a home screen, when I see active habits for today, to kind of check mark them. That's the thing, you know. My rule of thumb is if over 3 months the price difference to upgrade to the new device, the cutoff is the value of my current device. Performance gains. That's heavy calculation. Calculate over 40-hour work week, then it's worth upgrade. You missed me somewhere in the middle of that sentence, but I believe it's kind of valuable argument. Sounds good. But yeah. No, it's a quas. How do you create calendar in SwiftUI? Oh boy, it should be SwiftUI component, right? But it is not. This one, that is just color scheme, nothing The font, that's just color scheme. Basically, I'm using Xcode settings. I'm using currently Martin's soft theme, but it is edited, and you can go into the Xcode and change console to whatever font you want. Here is SF mono bold font in my case. Cloud makes it easy. Yeah, it is. I can proudly say that I built this calendar view before Cloud was a thing, but yeah, I'm using that in a day-to-day life. And it just lazy stack. Basically, I'm kind of showing, here is my calendar header, and here is my stack with dates, and that's it. Nothing more, you know. If I lose 4 hours a week for waiting to a slower device, that will be covered by device that's yeah. I don't think I really lose 4 hours or more in a week, you know. If I'm looking on the where it was, there was something. There was somewhere you were able to see build times. Oh, here it is. For this application, average build time is 6 seconds. Doesn't sound true. Kind of too little. But for this app, it doesn't show average build time currently, but basically for this app, average build time was something like 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, something like that. It's kind of hard to save 1 hour on build time. Yeah, if it is 1 hour in a week, I agree with you. If you're wasting 1 hour in a week on waiting on machines, that's. But I not. Even if it's 120 seconds build time, you'll be hard pressed to gain even 1 hour. Yeah. Where would you suggest to buy cheaper used machines? But that's definitely for something like version 2, some kind of statistics, to show some charts and something like that. Definitely. What were your favorite location for digital nomad lifestyle? Hard to tell. Canary Islands weather is good all over the year. I will say Canary Islands is easy answer, because if you like surfing, if you like beaches, if you like kind of not very hot, not cold, something like that, from plus 20 to plus 30 Celsius, it's perfect, I think. The kind of maybe problem of Canary Islands, they're not big, but you can travel in between them. It's fine. I will say that. Porto, nice city, but in winter you don't have summers there in winter, you know. Same if we will talk about Lisbon. And Lisbon, I kind of like it as a city, but Porto was kind of less crowded, and Lisbon is a big city, and they're offering probably fake drugs on streets and so on. You know, it's kind of doesn't feel. I will not say it doesn't feel safe for me, but I will not feel safe to send my kids on streets alone, something like that, you know. But Airbnb prices are high. Yeah, maybe. I will look I would look on long-term rent, and then it's not so expensive. I already forgot how that site was. Rent in Spain. I have profile here. I forgot something. Idealista. Yeah, this one. Idealista. Go to the Idealista, and then it is not so expensive. If you will look for Costa Blanca, Almera, Neria, Spanish Islands, Gran Canaria, for example, here, something like $800 in a month. Okay, that's one bed apartment, whatever, but yeah, sure, you will not rent villa for 1K or something, but where you have those prices nowadays, maybe somewhere in Vietnam or even Thailand, Bali, those are more expensive, and Bali crowded, expensive already. And I like, for example, this one is kind of mine, beach, 1.2 in a month. So it's not bad. It's not bad. This place, okay, I don't know how good that apartment is, but basically this place is, I like, I was staying there. Okay, nothing fancy, of course, but looks kind of okayish, whatever. 1.2K. I'm doing great, thank you. How to monetize offline app? What's the difference offline and online app? In-app purchases, ads. Okay, offline app, ads, then no. In-app purchases. Yeah, exactly. Hello, Uruguay. Hey. Okay, this is calendar. Answering question. That is calendar. Just lazy stack with date. Okay, did I run it? And actually here I have cursor as well. Yeah, and Foxbit, that is why I was working for about 1.5, almost 2 hours without kind of hitting the stream button to be able to kind of really commit something. How it was, how many? 1, 2, 3 commits. Otherwise, it's kind of, I really enjoy to hanging around with you guys, but yeah, Foxbit is right. You barely do anything. Yeah. Okay, are we building or what is going on here? Oh, here it is. So, okay, that's very raw. I basically just created this one view, so we have ugly looking habits here, and I can check and check basically what is planned for today. If I have 2 reading habits, don't ask why, I don't know why 2 of them, but basically if I have 2 of them, and this one, oh, it's kind of messed up. Actually, here is, oh, okay, it's adding new ones. That's a bug. That's really bug. Yeah, this habit, for example, is every day. And if I will remove Wednesday and Thursday, okay, let's say only on mornings. I'm creating content, for example, on Mondays only. And then it should disappear from home view. Okay, and that's basically how it works. See? The thing is basically, yeah, I kind of can do it like that. Okay, let's say in Wednesdays I'm doing that as well. And now it is back, and now I can check mark it, and I can check mark this, and I can check mark this, and basically those are done. Will it update calendar? Probably. Yes, it works. It updated calendar in the right day as well. If I will uncheck it here, will it uncheck it here? Yeah, it works. So data models are connected well. The only thing is to change it from ugly but working to nice and working. What project management software do you use for product management journey? Was that only IT perspective? Oh, I use it in carpentry now. I use it Bugzilla, I use it Redmine, I use it Jira. Currently on my consulting project we are using Pivotal Tracker, but that will be closed in March. Pivotal Tracker is sunsetting, so probably we will switch to maybe Linear. That's my suggestion, maybe something else. Also I was used on one project GitHub issues, then we moved to GitLab, then there was GitLab issues and projects for issue tracking. Yeah, I don't know, all of them. Asana is good. Linear is not bad. Currently I'm using OmniFocus. Basically, where is my OmniFocus? Here is my OmniFocus. So that is my small habits project. I don't know, for example, I have, meditation, breath training application. This is currently on hold, so therefore it's not active. I like that I can basically go to today view and see what I'm planning to today and so on. It's OmniFocus is a little bit kind of, I would say, overcomplicated for one person. Oh, Marco, hello. Nice to see you here. Hey, hello. And OmniFocus is kind of a little bit overcomplicated for one person, especially if you don't have a shitload of projects. But I still have shitload of projects, and it was a real game saver when I was lifesaver when I was in product management in corporate job. Then I was responsible for product management in 3 countries, and we had kind of dedicated product management in each country. Actually, 2 in Latvia, 1 in Lithuania, 1 in Estonia. They reported to me, and I had to handle all of that. So then OmniFocus was, it is basically get the things done. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. We can do one lazy stream. Okay, thank you. Yeah, if that will be more focused stream, then probably, I don't know, again, that should be something smaller, not across YouTube, Twitch, but yeah. So what I did, see the whole year, it is basically, this card is not needed actually. Yeah, this is under the question, maybe we need to keep something behind the paywall. That's something to think about it. Test and fucking ship it, that is done. But in beta version. Day cards are not needed. See the whole year, it is implemented. Track more than one goal, generally that is possible. We will need to update cards on home screen. Keep the past. What was this picture? Can I make it bigger? No. I can. Here it is bigger. Yeah, that was slide from one conference. Why I saved it? Interesting. Yeah, here it is, because there are some charts, but they are blurred out and hidden behind the key lock key, whatever it is, key lock, whatever. Those are hidden until you are going premium, and then you can see them. Yeah, something like that. Okay, add weekdays to the widget. Oh, that is not done yet. Hey Cambodia, hello. Handle week start day automatically and show that on calendars. What? I already implemented that. Onboarding, we will need some kind of onboarding. App intent and configure widgets is basically the same thing. preparing my roast my MVP. Oh, that's interesting. Looking forward. Four months for MVP. That's a lot, Marco. That shows probably that will be something huge already. Novel idea. Cool. That's great. Yeah, we can roast that in community. Looking forward to that. If you built it for 4 months, that's a lot. Friend accountability buddy list. I'm not sure about that. I will not do this one. Actually giving away. That was monetization idea. Basically, you can get into the habit tracking and you can basically kind of stick to the habit. Basically, that could be something like one cheap in-app purchase. So I was thinking about monetization idea, and here is monetization idea. Basically, I was thinking that you basically committing. Sorry. So idea was how you could monetize application like that. I was thinking, so you basically committing that you will do, for example, you will read every day, you will whatever, create content every day, maybe you will exercise every 3 days or what else you are planning. And you are kind of committing to that. And then you can get into the challenge, and basically to get into this challenge to use some kind of premium features behind the paywall and so on. You're doing in-app purchase, but that in-app purchase is like consumable in-app purchase. What is different between consumable and non-consumable purchases? Basically, if it is consumable, that is like whatever, some money in the games, some virtual money in the games, some whatever, that's something that you basically buy once and then you can spend it and then you don't have it anymore. That's basically in a purchase that you can spend in the application. And then the idea was you buying like a token or whatever to access application and participate in challenge, and if you kind of lose the challenge, then you basically pay. And that payment is you are losing access to the features. You basically have to buy in again. I didn't implement that and likely will implement that, but that's kind of a possible way of monetization. I don't know if that will work or not, but that's kind of little bit of gamification and way of monetization as well. I would like, if that will be possible, that you are paying only if you break the habit. Basically, if you do not do what you promised to do. That will be amazing, but there is no way to do that in the app. So, because you have to kind of agree that you will pay money and you will be charged in the process of in-app purchase, and there is no some kind of reservation of the money or whatever, or agreement that, okay, you will pay if I will ask, unfortunately. Most time consuming than difficult. Okay. Yeah, looking forward to hear about that. Do you build with monetization in mind first? Or think about it towards the end of MVP? Depends on project. So I think that when you evaluate the idea, you at least should know, are your target audience ready to pay for the application? Because if they are not, then what's the point of kind of building application, right? And I think you have to do that. You have to have that in mind. Otherwise, it's kind of tricky. It can be tricky. Oh my gosh, I broke the chat. Okay, it works, kinda. almost works. Okay, back to the thing. What did I do? So I would like to make it somehow look more interesting. This kind of works. That time kind of says nothing. That's basically kind of reminder time, how it will look if we don't have time. Let's see. It should be empty. I will remove reminder. I still have it because I just disabled notification, but the time is kind of saved already. That's not good. Okay, let's say sleeping. And definitely we are going for that every day, and color should be something like calm like that, and we don't need a reminder about sleeping. We will eventually remind ourselves that we'll get sleepy and so on. Interesting. What's the default time? Oh, it sets default time of task habit creation time. That's in the task creation card action. Okay, so the next thing is basically to make this screen kind of a little bit better. This screen is kind of ugly as well. All the screens are ugly. This one probably is kind of less ugly screen, but again, one button on the top, another button on the bottom. That's just a mess, but that's fine. That's my approach. Make it ugly but working first, and then make it nice. Usually I just do not show this application to anyone, this version. Currently it is available in beta. Okay. I doubt anyone would like to use it anyways, but whatever. So maybe let's try to go to the mobbing. Maybe let's go to the dribble. I think there will be shitload of habit applications. Not dribble, something like that. Yeah. I think that's like every developer have in portfolio habit tracking application. The same probably is about designers. Every designer have it as well. In portfolio, mobile app. Where is my search? Okay, here's search, mobile app, mobile habit tracker. I will be surprised if we will find nothing. There should be a lot of them, yeah. I would like some inspiration for nicer looking cards. I would like to have something like that, those cards on the screen, and we will have something else. But if someone has, 10 habits to track, we will fill out the screen already. Did you see ChatGPT 4 Pro model Unicorn SVG? No. Is that the Pro version, which costs whatever? I don't remember. 200 or something in the month? I have cheap ChatGPT, $20 probably. That's Pro, right? Chat. Oh, what do I have? Oh, there is ChatGPT Plus. I don't have Plus. More models. 200 per month. Okay. Generated Unicorn SVG. Okay. I don't even know which one is kind of the right one to use. No, GPT-4 probably. Oh, okay, let me try to find clickable link. I see it. What is your persistence management? Swift data in this. Oh, $200 in a month. Ooh. Yeah, this one is better. But it is not SVG. Okay, whatever, yeah. Yeah, in this application we have Swift data for persistence. Okay. Habit tracker list. Let's see something, some kind of list with cards. Come on, stop moving. Show me pictures. This one is kind of cool, but there is a shitload of data on that card. We don't have so many data to show. Need something simple. This actually is kind of cool, but just like some kind of dashboard. Is app that was left for dead with 700 impressions per month for securing habit tracking. 700 per month, that's not a lot, because imagine you have good conversion rate. From 700 you will get something like, let's say average 10% conversion rate, okay? So you will get 7 downloads or 4 downloads if conversion rate will be closer to something like 5%, okay, 5 to 10%. So that's 7 downloads. You will convert maybe another 5% to paying customers. That's not a lot, you know, you need way more downloads, but that depends on your willing to invest time and energy in marketing. Yes, that could work. Keyword optimization, better keywords and so on. If I will go to the analytics of this specific application, my habit tracking application, it has something like 5,000 impressions, and that's why I basically decided, okay, it was left on the shelf for, I don't know, year without updates, but it's still kind of managing to make sale once in a while. Those are 6,000 impressions. Conversion rate is horribly bad, 1%, right? But that's basically because screenshots are not great, app description maybe is not great, something else, you know. If I can still stay on same impression, but just improve conversion rate to whatever, 5%, it will be 5 times more downloads, right? 5 times more sales and so on. Is it better to work on existing project or build new one? Well, habit tracking applications, it is very competitive niche. I don't even remember why I decided to build my application. I had the ideas and yeah, I implemented them and so on, but generally, habit tracker is not a niche that I would suggest someone to build, right? I remember that I wanted to have habit which have widget on the screen to track those habits, and I just built that and I used it, you know, because yeah, that was what I wanted. But it's kind of tough, you know. If you will take a look on the whatever lifetime, there was some peaks with downloads. I don't remember why, do not ask. But basically 3,000 downloads proceeds $200. Someone saying that's a win, you know, you kind of get back a developer's license money in those 2 years while application was in the App Store. I released it in January 2023, and yeah, that's almost 2 years. And basically, it made in 2 years about $200. That's kind of nothing, but I can't say I did a lot with this application after release. So, but I think there is potential. Conversion rate is horribly bad. I should improve conversion rate, and then there is potential. That's my opinion. We'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. I have few ideas for kind of pushing application, kind of get more sales and so on. We'll see how that will work. Do you think users gravitate more towards widgets or watches for tracking type apps? I don't know. I personally enjoyed to have widget and wanted to have widget to have, let's say, like a reminder for myself that I have habit which I planned to track, that's it. And then I have on the screen the widget, and that widget basically shows my kind of current progress. And if I see that basically I am kind of creating content every day as I planned, then I'm happy. And that widget currently is damn simple. There is, I accidentally clicked on it, but it basically shows the calendar on the screen. And if I see that, for example, in current day, that habit is not tracked yet, for example, let's say something like that, it is in my face, like a reminder that this day is not kind of closed yet. That's basically what I wanted from this application. That's why I built it. I didn't want anything else, actually. And this application is damn simple. It's doing just that. You can track only one habit in current production version, and you have just one widget like this on the screen, and that's it. And it still kind of make some. It's not real money. $200 from app is not the money, but I think it is possible to kind of scale it. Okay, off topic, right? Where I was here. Can we find something a little bit? Yes. Yeah, Duolingo doing very great with this kind of gamification. Yeah, that sad or dying owl. That's a very good example, yeah. In my case, that is just simple, basically calendar with unchecked, not checked kind of day. That helps. Is that habit tracker, really? Oh, let's go back to my usual playlist. I like this one better. Yeah. More energy. Fitness tracker. Oh, this card actually. Something simple. Actually. Yeah, something like that. We just need icon. Then we have habit, name, and description, basically. I like this one. I should save it somehow, right? Let's go to the freeform. Actually, I found myself lately using freeform kind of relatively often. What's that? Untitled? Nothing? Empty? Yeah, probably. Okay, let's drop it right here. Do you use hard or soft paywall? Very soft paywall. in habit tracking applications that paywall is very soft. Actually, this one also looks kind of okay. I like this. Can we add link? We can. Yeah, we can. Let's add link here as well. Okay. This one is nice. I don't have hard paywall in any of my apps. But habit tracker is kind of very soft. Background music is a bit loud. Okay, I will make it less loud. Like that. Let's see how that will be. Yeah. Probably that's okay. This one also looks kind of nice and clean. Dates on the top. I don't think we need dates on the top. But yeah. Not bad, but nope. What's that? Bank simplified. Why you are? I'm searching for habit tracker. Bank simplified. Okay. Daily, weekly. Actually, this is looking good because it's very minimalistic and kind of just clean. How it's different, I have text and checkbox as well. Okay, so let's less tall, not so bold. Actually, we don't need to show the time, it's kind of looks ugly. Doesn't even know how to make Chrome tabs look like that. I don't know. I don't know how I did that. Probably I selected some theme somewhere in Chrome. Do we have some theme name or something? No, nothing. It's just very empty. I have no idea how I did that. I basically have multiple Google accounts and multiple Chrome accounts. I just wanted to change kind of color of Chrome to see when I'm switching to the different accounts, and obviously I changed some themes, something as well. So I don't know how, but check themes of Google Chrome. Probably something related to that. Nah. Kind of very busy screens. I don't even know where to look. It's way too busy. Okay, breakfast proteins, what else not? I don't see too many examples that I would say I like. It's kind of too dark, but whatever. What is that? That's some kind of sleep tracker. Okay, that's not habit tracker. Extend MacBook storage using micro SD. Yeah, that slot if you do not use that slot and it stays empty, sure. But I'm just using those portable drives, like, I don't know, this one. Just plug them in and it's not really kind of a problem. So I have 1 terabyte SSD internal memory. That's enough for general work. And if I need to edit videos or something, then this helps. And I saw there are kind of also like some pockets which you can attach to your Mac, so that work. Do you implement dark and light mode? It kind of works out of the box already, because if I will switch to the... I didn't try to do anything here. Let's switch to the dark mode to see what will happen. So I will need to add some kind of shadows, something like that, but calendar kind of looks okayish in dark mode. You can see buttons, list, also kind of okayish, not great, but so it kind of works out of the box. NAS is not very handy for moving around with it, you know. What is that control panel widget? Oh, that is a Rocket Sim application. It's kind of handy. You can do all of that stuff without it, but it's kind of handy to have it. You have kind of enable, disable some whatever, I don't know, bold text, for example, see how that will look, see if someone has that in settings, and whatever, on-off labels, grayscale, for example, how your app will look in that grayscale, and so on and so on. You can do all of that differently, but this works. For example, if you would like to change this dynamic type, oh my gosh, better don't use my app like that, you know? All of that stuff. Besides that, you see, I don't know, whatever. For example, build time history, you can, for example, I tested deep links for this application. For example, here I have, if I'm clicking this one, then kind of deep link is triggered, here are notifications triggered. You can do all of that from terminal, from Xcode and so on, but that's super handy to have it, to have something like that, you know. And it was something like 29 bucks in a year. That's basically no-brainer, you know. What else? Here you can drop image here and compare with designs. I never use it. I don't know how it works, but basically something like that. I assume this is slowdown simulator. Again, that is in simulator settings. What's that? I don't even know. Something, ruler, some kind of ruler. Grid, you can add grid for user interface. Here, plenty of handy things. And also kind of show, do not show kind of torches when you're recording, and so on and so on. You can record GIF, whatever, clips, MP4, clips, screenshot. And if you make screenshot, that's kind of basically, whatever, it moved somewhere already. It's basically making kind of, is making nice picture with all the bezels, so it's nice, you know. You could never charge for something like that on Android. I believe, yeah. But it was kind of, I saw the features, I saw the price, that's basically no-brainer. It's 29 bucks in a year, and you are saving so much time. How many features do you finish it today? 3 for side project, and for freelance project fixed 2 bugs. But in general, yeah, I understand that. Yeah, I got that message for long-term storage. I was just kidding, of course. I'm trolling you. Sorry. I totally understand you. For example, my good friend, who we are working together on the on freelance project. He is from North Macedonia, and I don't remember. I was talking about GitHub Copilot, and I said it's kind of convenient. It kind of speeds up development. It helps. And he's saying, "Oh, let's try to maybe company will pay for that." I said, "It's $10 in a month. It's whatever. It kind of saves a lot of time." And he's kind of, but that's $10, you know. If you can do that, if you can get that somehow for free, then it's interesting. But if you have to pay for it, it's kind of, It's, yeah. It's kind of different kind of mentality. It's kind of you're saving time, you're saving money, but I heard that in Serbia probably also kind of guys kind of not willing to spend 5, 10 or $20 to save a few hours in a week. Yeah, I do not see anything much better. That one design was nice. Probably I will do something. Probably this one is already kind of good enough. The one thing which could be cool, to add something like that, some SF symbol icon for activity, for reading. That could be book, whatever, something that user could choose. And I don't know how that can be implemented, but it should be possible to kind of get selection for SF symbols and allow user to select whatever user wants. And now I'm thinking that it could be, in my case, I would like to change a little bit that habit, how I am kind of tracking it. I would like to have a habit and something like goal on what goal I'm working on, and that could be basically in my face all the time. So that could be something like icon, then is habit name, then short description for the habit or goal, and then check mark. And then that will look something like that. I like this design. I probably will stick with something like that. Current ugly design is close to that. I don't know if this should be home screen. I'm just going with defaults. Balkan Life 101. Exactly, yeah, I noticed that, yeah. Such a cozy atmosphere on your streams. Nice, thank you. What would you recommend? Revenue Cat or Kion version? I don't know what's that Kion version is. First time hear about it. Revenue Cat is solid product. Works fine, works good. Oh, Dmitry, this is a very deep question. That depends on definition of success, right? But I will say that I released something like 5 apps until I started to make more or less serious money. And again, define serious money, right? For someone, those are tens in a month. For another, it is hundreds, and then someone thousands or tens of thousands, you know. Currently, I'm making thousands. I'm making thousands in a month currently from my own applications. And to get to the thousands, I needed to release something like 4 or 5 apps. I think 5. Yeah, this will be it. Okay, let's try to make... I think I can do that today. Let's try to make this habit card. I have it somewhere just dump it in the home screen. Home screen, empty state view, habit card view. Okay. Let's extract this to the separate view. Can I somehow magically get it? There is no refactor. Extract selection to file. Nice. Xcode. Finally. And we have, yeah, perfect. It's like alternative, much cheaper, only takes 0.4% of the revenue. Yeah, but question is how big problem this is for you, 1% or 0.4%. If you're making $100 in a month, that none of them will charge you. Revenue cut is not charging you until 2,000 in a month. And let's imagine you are on the 10K in a month. From 10K in a month, you will pay how much? Revenue cut is taking 1%. From 10K, it will be $100. From this product, this will be whatever, $40, right? If you're making 10K in a month, is it a problem to pay from 10K 100 or whatever it is, $40? I will not look on. That will be last thing I look on. I would look on functionality, features, feedback from other customers, stuff like that. Which one is better product? Maybe you will find one who will promise you to do that for almost free, you know, but will you switch to that? Have you ever thought about working on team again? I'm working in team. I have a freelance project. We have something like 20 plus people in tech team. Backend developers, web developers, Android team, iOS team. I'm kind of looking forward to go full-time independent, but that's not a thing yet. Oh, we need to feed that data. We need to feed Habit here. No, I'm not full-time solo developer. I'm 50-50. So we have Habit here, we have date here. Why do we need this model? Yeah, because we are kind of changing state here. I will go lazy way. What's your opinion on waitlists and landing pages for your app? It's a good way. I will say it's kind of good way to test. It's good way to test product, but and test customers' interest for the product. And the problem with it is that okay, let's keep it here. I will ask Copilot to do that. I don't want to kind of think through all of that now. Not Copilot, Cursor. So you need to hype up audience to get into the waiting list, right? Usually, as indie developers, we have a problem to get application to the few thousand downloads, right? But now you are not giving download, you are kind of trying to move everyone to some kind of waiting list landing page. And so what are you hoping on? Usually it works if you can make some app that enough people want to get, and then you're getting some hype around that. And also then you have to release it in the right moment. If you will keep it kind of behind this waiting list for too long, then maybe this hype will kind of calm down and you will kind of overweight, you know. I don't think it's kind of makes sense to do that for most of the applications. Exactly, yeah. Let's ask. Let's go lazy way. Chat. Factor this to habit card view. We just need to bind variables and so on. It's not something I would like to think about at the midnight. I think then some kind of waiting list is good way to basically you create landing page, you create waiting list to see if there is interest from potential customers. Do really someone wants your application? Do really someone have this problem you are planning to solve and so on? For that reason, yes. As a kind of launch strategy, it's kind of tricky. You need to do big marketing effort to get people into that kind of landing page and waiting list. Okay, so what do we get here? It's basically, oh yeah, I was looking, it's basically the same. here is solution. Yeah, we still need that model because we are working on the, okay, let's just see if that will work. I just want to get some first raw version working, and I would like to kind of work on user interface now. And then we will remove it here. And after that I'm going back to the Xcode to be able to use previews on everything. Okay, whatever. Go away. Shush. So now we will go to the home screen view and we'll remove this here. Will it still build? Oh my gosh, it's midnight. I have to go to sleep already. I have wake up alarm in about 6 hours. Okay, it builds. Cool. Habit card view, preview. Canvas. Here we are. Show me the card. So instead of time on the bottom, I will show description. I will add icon and yeah, maybe something font size, something like that, and that will be plenty. Come on. Show me that preview. Uh, 5% conversion rate from what to what. If it is from App Store page view to download, that's decent, that's okay. 10 is better, 20 is amazing and hard to reach, but I'm happy with 5 plus. On my own apps, I never saw more than 10, but I saw screenshots from other apps with 20, so I believe that it is possible. And conversion from download to paying customer, again 5%, depends on niche, but 5% is also good. In my applications, in average, I see that I am converting to the free trial, from download to free trial, something like double digits, something like 15-16%, something like that, and then about half from them can staying on this subscription. So that's again something like 5+%. It's very hard. It's very hard. I saw screenshots from other indie developers with more than 10, but I never been there. I have seen 10, maybe 11, I don't remember. I could go those months and found somewhere that, oh yeah, in this month I had 11 or something, but usually that's, if I am in between 5 and 10, I'm happy. If I am below 5, I'm sad. For my habit tracking application, currently I am on about 1% of conversion rate, and that is horribly bad. I will try to fix that. Okay, application is running, but why don't we have preview? Come on, Xcode, you can do it. That's one of the reasons why I'm thinking that upgrade could be decent today. I am checking that in the revenue cat dashboard. You can do the math on your own, but I don't think you see those numbers in the App Store Connect report. Best UI or best UX, which one? What? If best UI is non-functional, looking good, and UX is bad, so what's the point? If someone is learning basic UI UX and normally just knows the standard HIG, what will be one of the first improvements to make an app stand out? Oh, I'm not the best person to suggest that, because I don't think my applications are kind of good example for that, something with exceptional design and something like that. Therefore, I'm not the right person to kind of give you advice or answer this question. But I think that kind of general, kind of decent looking application, if you basically kind of compare your app with other apps in the App Store and it looks good, so that's cool. If you have some kind of nice but not too much animations, I think that's cool. And if you will like to please Apple and those users who have the disabilities, if you will add support for that, that's also kind of great, But yeah, one of the first improvements to make apps stand out. I wish I know. I'm not designer. I think I'm decent at product management and I'm okay-ish in programming, but design I basically, like most of us, like most of the developers, I can basically see, okay, this application looks ugly, that application looks cool, and then I can kind of copy what I like, The same example, like now, basically I built just functional, this kind of card for Habit, which is ugly by design but functional, and then I basically went online and found something that I like, and I will kind of mostly steal this design, I will say. Maybe then when I will start to use it, maybe I will find that, okay, I don't really like some kind of aspect about it and I would like to add, I don't know, something else, something more information, whatever. Colors, probably I would like to use Habit colors and so on, but maybe that will be it, yeah, we'll see. Okay, so here I would like to have Habit notification date, foreground color, that's all good, text. So here, instead of this one, we will have, currently we don't have in the Habit description, but we will add it. Don't we have? Maybe we have it. I don't remember, frankly. What do I have here? Title color, reminder notification, reminder text. We have reminder text. We could add subtitle or description, but I don't know if I would like to kind of go and add subtitles to each my habit when I'm basically adding them. If I add, for example, read or reading, will I go and add also read every night, whatever? Unlikely. Did you try SwiftUI on server for your apps? No, I didn't. I'm trying to avoid backend, and if I will need to really develop backend, probably I will use something like Firebase, you know. I don't really want to support backend. Yeah, the question is, do we need subscription description? Maybe, but I will not change model for the habit yet. Let's for now just add. I definitely don't want to see that reminder time here. Actually, let's comment out all of that. Let's add just text here. Text probably will be just something like habit description for now. It's kind of tricky. Habit description. I don't know if everyone will like to add it. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I like this font and foreground color. Let's keep that here as well. And this reminder time, that actually could go. That actually could go next to that toggle button. Maybe not, maybe that will be too crowded. I don't know. But we can, come on. Here maybe? Probably not. It will be too crowded. No, I don't think that we need it at all. Okay, I will park it here for now. And maybe I will add it next to the button. Okay, and this H stack we will put inside. Wait a minute. Oh, this button also is an H stack. V stack, this V stack. Okay, I will need here image. And that will be, how you name that? I always forgot it. System image named, something named. Oh my gosh, how do you add those image named? No. That's how bad my memory is. How do you add those? SwiftUI, SF, symbol, image, something like image named, image, something. SF symbols, image. Yeah, system name. I was close to it. System. Yeah, okay. Here we have autocomplete. I was so close. Oh, Marco, that's actually a cool keyboard. Guess how much you have to pay for it. Okay, that's RGB, of course, everything. But where's the price? That is out of the box sound. Sound is out of the box. Nothing. I did nothing. I just took it out of the box and using. I didn't buy it. It's gifted. Sent to me by company. There are magnets. For example, keyboard name you can attach and then connect on magnet. Okay, brand, to make it easier to guess price range. It is Nufi. This is Nufi keyboard. Anyone? Who could guess the price? Okay, you're already Googling. Cheaper. It is, let me check to do not lie. I think it was something like $100 range. Nufi, Evo. No, not Evo, Hello. Yeah, 129. That sound is out of the box. Not after using Digma. Yeah, I'm kind of switching to Digma, and when I need to write a lot, then I'm switching back to the normal keyboard. I don't know. I'm not fan of this blue color, though I like whatever color better. But they sent to me, I like the white actually, but they sent to me that blue color for free, so The fee is amazing, yeah. iQnix is good as well, but after this keyboard, the iQnix with Holy Panda switches feels too heavy. This keyboard keys are kind of lighter, but I don't really like color. I'm not really big fan of that RGB on the bottom, and keys are not kind of lighting through. There is basically, you can't see light throws, that kind of those are printed keycaps, but I have desk light all the time, it's not a problem. But the sound is great. Nice talk. Yeah, exactly. And out of the box. Building my second plank. Oh, yeah. Of course, you have to buy it. Two planks, Poppy and Chucky. Okay. Is the app already in the App Store? Yes, but previous version, this version that I'm building now, is available in test flight. There is no link in the. Let me see. There is no link in Twitch, but it is in YouTube. Let me copy paste the link. That is. Oh, sorry, that's Discord. Oh my gosh. Wrong link, sorry. Yeah, it's a Discord link actually. Okay, but in the Discord room, to my. Okay, it's probably too late already for me. I probably should go to sleep. Oh, interesting. My streaming app starts freezing as well. I can't switch to the screen sharing screen. Did we crash it? No, not yet. Okay, just music starting to glitch. Oh my gosh, everything getting so slow. Okay, I will stop music. I will stop a few tabs in the browser, and hopefully we will not crash. Yeah, something happening. In the Discord, where is the link? Okay, I found it. Here it is, finally. Can I copy link? Copy text. How? Okay, here is link that I can copy, finally. That is it. Yeah, that was the wrong link, yeah, sorry. Hello, Hassan. Good morning in Australia. Yeah, seems that when I stopped music and few more tabs, at least stream is still working. That's good. Okay, that is the link to the application. Application is kind of iffy, you see, it works. It is not crashing, at least no, but it is very bad. But yeah, if you like to take a closer look, you have a link. If you want to provide feedback, I will be happy to hear. Okay, everything is getting slow. Probably I need to go to sleep or upgrade my Mac. Okay, let's finish this one. SF symbol. Let's see if I can add something without crashing. Let's say something like check mark. This one looks okay. This one, it will be a little bit conflicting. People will try to click on it. Let's see. Oh, I like this Brian. That Brian looks like gut or something. Oh, okay, this is kind of more clear what it is. Let's try this one. That will be something like whatever. Meditation, reading. I don't know what it is. Okay. And we need that probably in like this. Upgrade your Mac. Exactly. I should, but I don't know if I will do that. Okay, what's wrong? Twice image. Interesting. Very interesting. Can we get it now? Please, in preview, where it will be. Yeah, it's even in the right place. I need to make it bigger and add some padding, probably. Font size, something like this. Font weight. Where was that? Heavy. Let's go heavy. Will it make it bigger? Oh, preview crashed. Yeah, indeed. We need to upgrade Mac or go to sleep. What's going on? What kind of preview it is? Don't tell me that's because of font. It is not. I'm signing off as well, yeah. I'm signing off as well. Yeah, it was nice to see you on the stream as well. See you, Paul, Aka Stefan. See you, Marco. See you, everyone. I'm going to sleep. My Mac is kind of glitching, crashing, and so on. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's question. It's not even question about do I need it now? Probably not. But question is about am I ready to live with this Mac for another year? Probably also not. Late night coding, already going to sleep. Or, Stefan, or we can add again PC to the stream and then I will have kind of streaming PC and I can move around setup and everything. That's also kind of idea right here. Okay. It's really already time to go to the sleep. I will be around someday again, maybe next week. I will try to be next week. If you don't plan to stream much, then don't buy it. Yes, I don't know about streaming much. That's the thing, yeah. That's the thing. Yeah, Mac Mini could work great like streaming machine, but I will not be able to play PC games, right? That's another reason to get a PC. Why preview broke? And that's because we have to go to sleep. Okay, thank you everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.